Attention please. This uploading is only for educational purpose. No intention to infringe copyrights. Learning English with subtitles. GPITRAL. Follow us.
Dummy World, somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Steve. Wakey, wakey, JK. Another crash test week for our crash test dummies. Their mission, to destroy the indestructible, to defeat the invincible, living the dream and testing to destruction. Steve, Dan, and Jake are the Crash Test Dummies! Morning dawns at the start of another gentle week in Dummy World. But in the house at Crash Test Corner, another week of mayhem is about to begin. It's 7 days of crash test carnage! But before all that...
Coming at you.
This! Our crash test dummies always use safety equipment. And sometimes call in their stunt doubles for the really dangerous stuff.
So if you feel like trying any of these stunts yourself, don't bother.
Not only would you look stupid, you'd probably end up dead.
Monday morning. The boys are enjoying a game of battleships.
Okay. F8.
Miss. G3.
Miss. H2.
Hit.
Get in there.
H1. Yes. Come on. Battleships, eh? Great, isn't it?
Yeah. Takes me back to my childhood.
Oh, memories.
Yeah. Like in Back to the Future 2, when Marty McFly sees himself at the Enchantment Under the Sea dance.
Or the first time he changes during the basketball game in Teen Wolf.
Yeah. For me, though, you can't beat playing Kablanc with your brothers.
You're right, Dan, but for me, nothing quite gives you the same buzz as nailing the rest of your family in a hardcore game of Trivial Pursuit.
Yeah, or watching a Michael Jackson video and trying to do all the moves. But this is what it was all about. Great games like this.
You know what, Dan? I've got a real urge to take it back to the old school, you know, to when we were smaller and games were bigger.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking about supersizing battleships.
You're off.
The lads are heading off to make the biggest game of battleships in the world! Well, in Dummy World, anyway. They're making a battleship grid with 16 squares on each side where the lads will place vehicles on random squares.
This side here is my side. Beyond that fence, we got your side. You get yourself round there, then we can begin.
Dan's got 4 crash test ships on his side. But over on Steve's side, he's one short. Time to improvise.
I'm sure he won't mind. Hey!
Dan's not going to be happy. He's only just restored her to health after a recent mishap. But as they say, all's fair in love and war.
Right, Dan, you go first.
Pick a number, then press the button.
Okay. How am I going to do this? I'm going to pick B for Brian Blessed.
Thank you, Dan.
My pleasure. And 2 for the amount of times I've kissed girls with tongues. Okay, B2.
Bombs away! Take cover! Dan's first shot missed the mark, but the battle's only just begun.
Here comes B4, coming at you. Yes! Get in! Well done.
B4, direct hit on Dan's shopping trolley.
Okay, Stavro, I'm gonna get nasty. D2. What? Delboy's not gonna be happy. B1. C4. C3, anyone? B1. Got it. I blew something up. A2. He's blown my car up. I've only got my Sinclair C5 left.
So Dan's bombed Steve's Robin Reliant, lawnmower, and his favourite Dodgem, whereas Steve's trashed Dan's shopping trolley and 2 Nissan Micros. They've just 1 each left, and it's Dan's turn to fire. But he doesn't realise that Steve's final battleship is friend, not foe.
A2, Steve. A2.
Cordelia's burned to a crisp. Oh, poor Dan. He may have won the battle, but he's lost the war.
Cordelia. Yeah, sorry about that, Dan, but I was actually 1 vehicle short, so...
1 vehicle short? No, I'm a vehicle short. Why do you always do this to Cordelia?
Stop worrying about, this time next week you'll have her souped up and back to her best. If I didn't know any better, I might be tempted to think you're actually buying a new car every week.
Don't be ridiculous. I'm a mechanic. I soup it up every week.
To be honest, Cordelia aside, I've had a really good time today and I've really enjoyed your company. What game should we supersize next?
How about Operation using power tools?
Yeah, but who's going to be the patient?
How about I let you be the patient?
Oh, cheers. Thanks a lot.
Come on.
Cheers, mate.
Have you ever seen the film Hostel?
No.
Probably for the best.
Magazine Day. And what have the boys been reading about this week in the A to Z of Bubble Wrap? Yes, A is for aerobics. Coming up, the boys give crockery the crash test treatment. And souping up for the silver generation. But first, it's crash test crime time. Which tool has been irresponsibly used for this crash test carnage? Find out after the break.